Imagine this, you are on your way to the office and suddenly your phone buzzes. It's your supervisor. We have a meeting at 11 a.m. today. We have to make a presentation on a completely unknown topic for our client visit. You reach office at 10:30 a.m. and you have 30 minutes to complete the task. What would you do? You're staring at the clock. Only 30 minutes? Research, content creation, layout design, add visuals, all of this in 30 minutes? Sounds impossible, right? Realistically, it should take at least 2 to 4 hours to create a professional presentation. But what if I told you this can be done in 10 minutes or less? Yes, you heard that right. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So without further ado, let's get started. An option. Now we are on the home page, which presents 3 options. Option number 1, paste in text. Choose this when you are done with your research and have your content and layout ready. Option number 2, generate or create from a one-line prompt. Option number 3, import file or URL. This option helps to improve the existing design and appearance. For today's demo, we will use this super cool option. Click on generate from a one-line prompt. It will prompt you to enter a topic. Now remember, we have not done any prior research, drafted any content, or created any visuals. The only thing we have is the topic name. I'll enter evaluation of customer service as an example and click generate. It will take few seconds. And boom, an outline is generated for us. By default, it creates 8 slides, but you can adjust this based on your preference. If you want to make any changes or any additional slides, you can do that. For now, we will use it as it is. Generating a 8-slide presentation will consume 40 credits. Each month you receive 400 credits for free, which allows you to create up to 10 presentations with 8 slides or cards. Let's proceed without any changes. The next step is to choose a theme for our presentation. I'll filter by professional category. There are several themes I like. I will select Aurora and click generate. Now the real magic happens. It begins generating content based on the chosen layout, adds relevant images, and finalizes the design. And just like that, it's done. Amazing, right? Within a minute, it has conducted content research, created a slide layout, added loyalty-free images, designed a professional looking presentation. What do you think? If you want, you can further customize the presentation by adding new slides, modifying or replacing images, changing the theme. Once satisfied, you can download the presentation in various formats: PowerPoint, PNG, and PDF. Downloading in PPT will enable you for further customization. One crucial point to note: Gamma's privacy policy allows you to delete your work. When you delete a project, all the data is permanently removed from their cloud servers. So, even if you accidentally used confidential information, you can safely delete it after downloading the presentation. I'll share this presentation and the instructions in the course playbook. Comment your thoughts and queries. Thank you for watching. See you next week with another topic. Imagine your manager is heading for a meeting and sends you an email stating that he wants a summary of the report that you have sent last night. He wants a detailed insight and key highlights of the analysis. And he also mentioned it needs to be sent in 10 minutes. Can we deny? Or if no, how to achieve this in 10 minutes? Take a moment to pause and reflect. What you will need to do. You need to go through the data, finalize the insight, create the key highlights, and then send an email with those key highlights. All of these in 10 minutes. Sounds impossible, right? Let's see if AI can help. We are on the home page of Claude. We'll begin by uploading the data by clicking on the paperclip symbol. Once the file is uploaded, we will write our instruction using natural language. No prompt framework or skill is required here. Plain simple basic English for what is the task that we want to do, that will do the job. So I'm writing analyze the attached data and help me with a detailed not analysis, summary of the data. Yeah, I think that should be enough. I'll press enter. The moment I do, it starts to create the summary. So on the left hand side, you can see the summary being created. On the right hand, you will see some code running, which is basically the code for visualization. Okay, it's done. So now if you see on the left, you have the analysis. On the right, we have the chart. We scroll up, you'll see the complete analysis or summary. And on the right hand side, we have the bar graph and the pie chart. And we can download this file, or we can copy the code as well. However, this code will come which is something looks like this, and we can use this code in Microsoft Visual Studio or in web to publish a report, but we are not interested in that for now. We'll cover this in some other video. Our main purpose was to create the analysis, which Claude has done quite well. So now comes the second part. Okay, so our second part was help me write a professional email. With key summary of the detailed insight that I can copy and paste to send an email My name is Shekhar Mistry and I think I have to edit that part. Send an email to my manager. My name is Shekhar Mistry and my manager's name is Rajan Chandra. That's it. Now again I'll press enter. Scroll up so you can see it has drafted me a professional email with the key inside. So we can copy that and paste it in our email body, and the entire analysis we'll copy and paste in a notepad which we can use as an attachment. So that will complete both of our tasks. This little copy button that helps. Right? You like that? So one more thing before I go, I want to cover. So if you see that drop down, there is an option called delete. You can use this option to delete the entire analysis. Once you do that, your analysis along with the file would be removed, which means you can keep your data restricted for further use. That's it for now. Happy learning.